Imagine standing by a river so pure that its reflections feel like a piece of sky. Now imagine that same river choked with waste and gasping for life. But what if I told you we could actually bring back its sparkle? Not through big machines or government projects, but through something as small as your actions and mine. The Yamuna has always been more than just a river. It's a lifeline, a sacred thread that connects millions of lives, traditions, and memories. And like every living being, it too can heal if we care enough to act. That's where my project Yamuna Squad Coins begins, a digital reward based solution that turns small eco friendly actions into real and measurable change. It's a way of transforming awareness into action and turning every citizen into a river warrior. Hello everyone, I am Havisha Vora, a student of class 9th at Bluebells Model School. Working solo on this case study helped me explore how technology and community participation can come together for environmental change. Through my idea, Yamuna Squad Coins, I wanted to blend gamification with awareness so that saving the Yamuna becomes not just a responsibility, but a fun, rewarding mission. The Yamuna's population didn't happen overnight. Over the years, rapid urbanization and neglect have turned it into one of the world's most polluted rivers. Today, nearly 80% of the river's population come from untreated domestic sewage. Delhi alone generates 3,300 million liters of sewage daily, but only 2,000 million liters are treated, leaving 1,300 million liters to flow directly into the river. Industrial effluents release toxic metals like lead, chromium, and zinc, while plastic waste and agricultural runoff worsen the damage. The Delhi stretch, just 22 kilometers long, contributes nearly 76 to 80% of the Yamuna's total pollution. Ammonia levels reach 6.5 mg per liter against the safe limit of 0.5 mg per liter, showing how critical the situation has become. The pollution has destroyed aquatic ecosystem. Fish species like rahu and katla are disappearing due to lack of oxygen. Aquatic plants that once purified the water have vanished, and migratory birds that visited the floodplains are rarely seen now. Even the surrounding soil has lost fertility, affecting farmers, wildlife, and the communities that depend on the Yamuna every day. Over the years, many efforts have been made to clean the Yamuna. The Yamuna Action Plan, in collaboration with GICA, focused on building sewage treatment plants. Under the Namni Ganga mission, the Yamuna was recognized as a key tributary for regeneration. The Delhi government's Clean Yamuna 2025 initiative aims to treat all sewage inflows. But here's the challenge. Despite all these efforts, real change requires citizen participation. That's exactly where Yamuna Squad Coins steps in. Yamuna Squad Coins is a digital reward based platform that motivates people to perform eco friendly activities and earn rewards called Squad Coins. Here's how it works. Earn eco coins for green actions like joining cleanup drives, planting saplings, or using reusable products. Verification system through QR codes or geotags to ensure actions are genuine. Redeem or donate. Users can redeem coins for eco-friendly products or donate them to environmental projects. Community challenges. Schools and localities can compete in monthly eco challenges. Impact dashboard. The app shows collective impact like 500 kg of plastic prevented from entering Yamuna this month. This solution blends technology and community power, turning awareness into sustained real-world action. My plan is simple and phased. Awareness, start with posters and eco talks and school campaigns. Pilot launch, test the app in 2-3 schools, track actions in real time. Partnerships, collaborate with NGOs, eco brands, and local authorities. Scale up, launch across Delhi NCR schools, gradually expand to other states. Some of the expected impact are mobilize youth as Yamuna ambassadors, promote cleaner riverbanks through waste segregation, reward eco actions to build long term habits, track measurable improvements with real data. Working on Yamuna Squad Coins alone made me realize that even one person can make a difference. Every time we refuse a plastic bottle, plant a tree, or report a clogged drain, we become a part of the solution. The Yamuna story isn't just about pollution, it's about people, hope, and change. If every small act adds up, then maybe one day soon, the Yamuna will reflect the sky again, clear, calm, and alive. Let's revive the blue and restore the Yamuna because when the river flows clean, life flows strong. Thank you.